Hello and welcome. I'm in Fulda in central Germany in Hesse. This is auto-able service and the van is a Forster A699EB, a 7-meter long vehicle, and as you can see it says AB, which means from 59,600, but this one could end up costing a fair bit more. So rear entrance, and as you can come in, you can see there's a huge garage there, currently being occupied by 2 bunk beds. And if you're desperate to get into the toilet when you get in, the good news is that it's directly in front of you. Side kitchen, and alright, lots of people can sleep in this vehicle here. So you get 2 up here in the overcab. It's got 1 window on that side. There you has a look. There's the Ford, and this one here is, I can see it's a more upscale model, so that's going to have an effect on the price. It's on an automatic gearbox. And let's have a look here. Got the prices here, I imagine. Whoops, and the prices have just fallen out. So it did say on the front from 50, what was I forgotten now? Nearly 60,000, and this here is 68,370. And the reason is mainly things related to Ford. So it's had the upgrade on the winter packet, comfort line Ford. In fact, the winter packet would be for the motorhome, sorry, comfort line Ford, 155 engine upgrade and horsepower, that is, and automatic gearbox, and it's got a battery in extra as well. That is for the motorhome. You'd want a battery in for the habitation area. It's a bit difficult to believe that, I suppose, how one could manage without that. Right, so here we've got, you see, 2 belted positions there, and there's 2 belted positions here as well. So we've got 6 belted positions, if memory serves me correctly. And it says, oh no, it didn't. I'm sorry, I apologize. There's belted positions here as well. So we're looking, I think, at 8 belted positions. Wow. And this is on a 3.5 ton basis. Well, you've got that many, you'd want to put it on a 4,100 kilo basis for the amount of people in this vehicle. So this will drop down, the table will drop down to form a bed. As you can see, it's got here a ledge over there to also help with the bed making, and here as well. And also note that there are USBs on that side of the under the table. And let's come down here a bit. We have this enormous wardrobe. What could be there? Something on the outside. And here, the tower fridge from Thetford. And in here, the washroom I mentioned earlier. With the shower. This flooring, it's the sort of thing that Forster usually uses in its design, but it's a brand, I find it very bright usually. I've got to say this, of course, I'm now in a outdoors. Often I see them in halls where the indirect lighting can be shown off to its best. A large sink, and 2 burners and storage below as well. Oh, this comes out like that. And there's a control for your gas. So lots of space in here, and finally, well, this garage was a potentially enormous garage. So if you don't need to use it for carrying people, then you can carry bicycles and boxes and all sorts in here. This will lift up. There you go, there's a demonstration, just to make the point. And you could put it to one side. You'd have to put the mattress though above or somewhere to get the mattress out of the way. But that will lift up and give you all that extra space down there. And as we're leaving, could have turned this on, couldn't I really? No, I couldn't. It's not connected. Why they haven't got put the battery in? I understand the reason for that. So anyway, that's your heating control from Truma. Bear in mind, of course, though, that if you take so many people in a vehicle, that the toilet cassette it's going to get full quite quickly, and you might want to get yourself a spare one. Now there's another vehicle very similar as this one here, beside a 699DVB, but what that's got is the doors in the middle, but it's very similar. Anyway, you can see this one in more depth in a different video. It looks as though something, because of the position of this, and oh, it looks as though that's a different level, but it isn't. So, I hope you found that interesting, and if you did, then you might want to subscribe. I upload every day at 21:15, and occasionally do live and other things as well. So, thanks for being here, and all the best from me in Fulda, Germany.